In this video, we'll learn about the sounds of short vowel such as a, n. It's an. Okay. The next is a, d. It's a ad. So let's see some example of an. A, n, an is a sound of an, which is a short vowel. Let's start. K, a, n, can. B, a, n, ban. M, a, n, man. T, a, n, tan. P, a, n, pan. F, a, n, fan. W, a, n, wan. R, a, n, ran. The another is ad, which is a short vowel word. S, a, d, sad. Gl, a, d, glad. M, a, d, mad. Cl, a, d, glad. H, a, d, had. P, a, d, bad. D, a, d, dad. O, a, d, lad. B, a, d, bad. A, d, ad. A, d, ad. Okay, here are some examples of an sounds and ad sounds. They both are the short vowel. So the another sound of the short vowel is a, p, app, or a, y, a, y, a, y, a, app, app, a, a. So yes, here are some examples of app, 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 or a, such as k, app, cap, g, app, gap, ch, app, chap, s, app, sap, t, app, tap, m, app, map, app, rap, app, lap, app, nap, k, app, cap. These are the app short vowel words. Come to the next a sound. What the sound is this? A sound. Okay. Now come to the words of this. B, pay. D, day. H, hey. G, gay. J, jay. S, say. U, lay. Gl, clay. M, may. Ray. P, pay. W, way. These are the examples of a. Hope you understand the sounds of app or a in this.